right, today we're gonna bring an actual air stone and I'm gonna show you the difference. All right, I have my air stone here, my original one, which is a small one compared to this one. We're gonna compare it and we're gonna test them out, see how well it works. So I got this one because I wanted to spread the air, and this is only one of them. It kept floating up and it's very difficult to control. So let's open it up and see what you get. They give you the air stone and look at this, it has a weight, so it's gonna go all the way down and it's gonna stay down. This one does not have a weight, it goes all the way up once in a while. And then they give you valves. All right, so if you have two air entrances, this is how you separate them, and you change from left to right. It has a little valve. I like that they included this. And then they have so this actually won't water won't go to the back of the actual motor, which is good. And then they give you other little accessories too. You can split them, and then suction cups that you want to make sure you want to set up the actual hole so they won't move. This is perfect. All right, this is the actual rock, the original one. Look at this, it doesn't stay fixed in the bottom. No matter what I do, it just keeps going up. I have to kind of tangle it into my plants or something because I don't have a suction cup. But look at this, even if I had suction cups, it keeps going to the right because of the airflow. So we're gonna actually set up the new one. So I put the little extension so you could melt it some more if you want with an actual lighter and let it float in, but I'm just gonna leave it as is and then put some suction cups and put this in the corner, and with the weight it's gonna go down real quick. So all right, we put the rock in the actual aquarium and it's flowing awesomely. It's not going too fast, it's actually going really slow. It's spreading out really good. It's not bubbling like the other one. Keeps it control.